हेलो एवरीवन,
Hi,
दिस इज शिंजन।
this is Devanjali.
वेलकम टू अवर ब्लॉग्स चैनल। और जैसा कि हमने डिसाइड किया था कि वी विल गो फॉर लंच एवरी डे, तो आज वो दिन है जहाँ पर हम लोग टुडे सप्तमी डे बेसिकली, तो हम लोग जा रहे हैं फॉर लंच अगेन, लंच बफे। तो मैं ब्लॉग तो ऑफकोर्स करूँगा कि क्या हम लोग खाएंगे एंड बफे स्प्रेड में क्या है एंड ऑल, बट आज थोड़ा हम लोग टाइम पे निकले हैं, तो होपफुली आज टाइम ज़्यादा मिलेगा खाने के लिए। तो एनीवे ड्राइव करके चलते हैं, और ड्राइव करते करते व्लॉग नहीं करते हैं, वहाँ पे पहुँच के आप लोगों से फिर से मुलाकात है। सो वी हैव रीच्ड आवर डेस्टिनेशन, जहाँ पे एक्चुअली आज लंच पे आने का प्लान था, दैट इज़ पैदल सॉल्ट लेक में। वहाँ पे फर्स्ट इनिंग्स करके पैदल का रेस्टोरेंट है, वहाँ पे हम लोग too much crowd and here's the lunches. So naam list.
It's for table for two. I hope we'll get it earlier than others because big families are table for two might be available.
So table for two might be available. Anyway, table मिलने के बाद फिर कंटिन्यू करते हैं। We have came inside. Finally, they have allotted us one table. So now we will show you. So starting with this salad bar. These are all Bengali kind of fries. It's delicious. This is doi bora, this is paneer chola, this is onion. Menu starts from here. This is Morich Kuchi. This is Potol Market diye. And this is what? Choco Porota. This is Choco Porota, and this is Shukno Jire Aloo Masala. Looks amazing, it's delicious. And this is Hinger Chola Dal. Doi Fulkopi. This is Doi Fulkopi. This is Monohari Moong Mohini. Royal name for a dish. Palang Sager Bora diye ghonto. Palang Sager Bora diye ghonto. This is also good. This is Pujo Bari Pulao. So this is Pujo Bari Pulao. This is bhat, means plain rice. This is Chana Roshka Dambo. Chana Roshka Dambo. Great. Okay, fine. So now we will move towards the Chinese section. So here is the non-veg section. So Kolkata Desi Chow Mein. This is Chinese noodles. This is Bhetki Mache fry. So this is currently empty, but they will definitely refill it. And this is chili fulkopi dry. This is prawn chingri utshop. This is my favorite. And this is kata mosla murgi. Okay, fine. Kata mosla murgi, and this is my favorite again, mutton biryani. And this is Deccan Hakka chili fish. But let me show you the biryani closely. The color is fantastic. This is mutton biryani, so I guess it will taste as good as it looks. So this was a brief, outlook of the entire menu to you. This is the starter counter. I missed it because there was too much of crowd, so I couldn't show you at first. So this is what I can get taken. 5 Furun fish tikka. Okay, this is fish tikka. Amazing. And after that, okay, fine, best filling. Okay, this is Desi Dime Devil. I love it. Typical Bengali dimmed table. Taste also amazing. This is Gondoraj Paneer Tikka. You will try this?
Yeah, of course I will.
Okay, fine. So this is Gondoraj Paneer Tikka. All empty. There was a crowd here, so I couldn't record it in the first place. So Badam Kishmish Shobji. Only one item left now. Here we are waiting for a people. Fuleshwari Chingri Chop. And this is Old Chinatown Chili Chicken. These are all starter. Oh, I surely forgot this Pani Puri counter and I would love to have it. Ekta plate. Khabo. So this is Pani Puri counter. So now we will be having Pani Puri. I was craving for Pani Puri, after lockdown. It's been 2 years I have tried Pani Puri outside. Shanti. It's like heaven, after so many years. I swear, the last time I had was, before COVID. That was like in 2019. সত্যি করে 2 বছর পরে
একটা খাইয়ে দাও। মানে এটা অনেক বড় না, একটা ছোট দেখে। ওটাই দিন। আমাকে একটা ছোট দেখে। ছোট দেখে। যাতে একবারে মুখে ঢুকে যায়।
খুব ভালো বানিয়েছো। প্রফেশনালের মতো। ক্যাডেলে এসে এত ভালো ফুচকা পাবো। দাও একটা দাও। অদ্ভুত। কি লাগছে একটা আলাদা, বাফে तो चिकन, मटन, पुलाव and all तो आते ही रहते हैं, but getting fuchka after 2 years it's like
And the fuchka is really good as well.
really good, like outside, right? बस वैसे मन तो है और भी खाने का, ये ज़्यादा खाऊंगा तो लंच में पेट भर जाएगा। पेट मेरा एक ही आयुर्वेद आया स्टाफ। Anyway, 1 for fuchka, 1 for mangoes. Fuchka was amazing here. So after fuchka, let's continue with the starters. So this is my starter plate. I have this chicken, Kolkata wala style chicken. This is egg devil. This is again another chicken. This is paneer. This is one shag ka boda. And what are you having?
I'm going to have almost the same thing. Except the ones I did not get over there.
Only you have added the dahi wala. Yeah, I can try. Yeah, of course, of course. So we are all set now for our, buffet. We'll keep it short, keep it simple. Taste the starter. First, I will start with the chicken. ऐसा रिचुअल है, माना जाता है. You should always start, chicken जहाँ पे ऑप्शन है, चिकन से स्टार्ट करना चाहिए. Chicken is soft. You like more?
Chicken টা তোমার কাছে ট্রাই করব, I'm not brought my chicken.
Okay. So you tell me how is.
I have started with the veg item like most normal people do.
Yeah, okay, fine. And I have started with the non-veg item like most non-veg people do.
Started with the paneer.
Paneer is good. Chicken was very soft.
Incidentally, I do love paneer a lot. Any kind of preparation. But this preparation is actually really good. Like when you go to a restaurant and you order some sort of paneer tikka or something like that, it's better than that.
Okay.
Because of
Gondoraj wala.
flavored paneer.
Okay, fine. So Gondoraj wala flavor के लिए the paneer seems to be very good, and I already said that the chicken was soft. So now we will have a starter. एक एक करके टेस्ट करके आप लोगों को एक बार बता देते हैं. ये सिंगोड़ा, वन बाइट. ठंडा है, बिल्कुल गर्म नहीं है. बट इफ इट वाज हॉट इट वुड हैव टेस्टेड बेटर. बट अभी जो एकदम ठंडा है तो उतना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. पनीर इज गुड, लाइक दिवांजलि हैज ऑलरेडी मेंशन्ड. पनीर इज गुड. एक डेविल का बाइट, ग्रैंड बाइट. Egg devil is amazing. This is how egg devil should taste, basically. And this is the other chicken. Surprisingly, they have all the chicken, are very soft. Is it because of the chicken quality, or maybe it's the preparation? Or maybe it's too frozen. What is the reason behind it? What do you think?
It's like the preparation. Like it's not prepared in a paste. It was marinated properly for.
Okay. And now I will taste the fish. This is also amazing, mind-blowing. This is the fish tikka. And fish tikka I always love.
You should have the devil with the fish.
Yes, David with cartoon taste, but I love the fish tikka. So now, मोटा मोटा आप लोगों को एक आइडिया दे दिया कि मोटा मोटी स्टार्टर में जो हमने लिया था उसका टेस्ट कैसा है. सो नाउ आई विल हैव पीस ऑल दिस एंड देन मेन कोर्स में जब जाएंगे फिर रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. ओके, एकदम सुबह फोटो सेशन होगा. बट पहले एक बार आप लोग को मैं भूल गया था, एक बार पूरा एंटायर प्लेस दिखा देता हूँ कैसा है. बहुत अच्छा सजाया है. This is not that big, but well organized. In one word, well organized. And the placements are all good. The placements are good, and the table positioning and all. अच्छा है. That is the reason why it's like छोटा होने की वजह से के बावजूद भी ये बहुत ज़्यादा टेबल एंड पर्सन्स को एकोमोडेट कर पा रहा है. Positioning is nice. So now I have taken this Radha Pallavi Luchi. This is hot. This is chola dal. This is potol, and this is aloo. So we'll be having all these three items with this Radha Pallavi. So now it's time for Radha Pallavi, and Radha Pallavi I cannot have a big spoon, so I prefer my hands. With aloo dum first. Their food quality is good, taste good, the mixture of the masalas and everything is good. But only one complaint I have is the food they are serving not that hot. It should be served hot. They are mostly on a lower side, so it's not that hot. So if the food was hot, then I guess it would have tasted better. But that's what it is, because they have kept the food open and all in their bucket. Generally, they put the lid and there is no lid, so maybe that is the reason why food is getting cold. Food quality and taste is good. Only if they would have served a bit hotter, right? গুড বাট গরম হলে আর একটু বেটার লাগলো না। I have no idea. So after finishing all this, we basically take and go for the main course or the rice items. Okay. So now let me. So now I'm ready with my main course lunch. This is plain hot rice with ghee. This is potol bhaja. This is dhairosh bhaja. This is begun bhaja. This is potol narkel something. And this is beautiful shag. I love this shag. And this is potato fries. So excellent food. I have already mentioned their food is good, but it would have been better if they would have served a little higher. বাঙালি ঘি ভাত যেটাকে বলে, ওটা হচ্ছে ঘি ভাত খাচ্ছি। অ্যাগেন রাইস যদি একটু বেশি গরম থাকতো বেটার। এখন দিয়ে মেখে পটল ভাজা, ঘি ভাজা বাড়িতে আমরা খাই, বাট এখানে খাওয়ার একটা আলাদা মজা আছে, তাই না বলো? Start tasting it. Begun bhaja was good. Potol bhaja perfectly fried. Dhairosh bhaja also is good. Now I will taste this shak. Shak with gravy is like made for each other. Yeah, food is really good, but again, it would have been better if it was hot. And here it is. The menu which I was waiting for. This is plain rice and this is my favorite prawn. So I'll be tasting prawn and plain rice. There was an option of pulao also, but I didn't take it because I actually prefer prawn with plain rice. So now Devanjali has changed, her place or position, seating position, because at the back of ours you can see this blue light was actually staring or glazing.
My eyes.
Yeah.
You can see this blue light just this side.
So that's why थोड़ा problem हो रहा था, तो she just decided कि change it recording is better, right? So now I will be having my favorite part, prawn and all. और यहाँ पे I am seeing people having Bengali dish in English way with spoons and all. But मेरे हिसाब से तो Bengali dish should be like the Bengali style only. So I prefer my hands over spoon. Anyway,
I will also prefer your hands over spoon. So এটা খুলে দাও।
which one? This one?
হ্যাঁ, এটা খুলে দাও।
Okay. So
আচ্ছা, show them what they are having.
yeah, I have already.
So basically you've seen this stick. দেখাও তো একবার।
Yeah, this is.
Yeah, so all this, peeling of the skin and pulling of the stick he has to do and then
Yeah, so ये सब तो होगा नहीं ना, मतलब स्पून से सब कुछ थोड़ी हो जाता तो फिर हाथ का क्या जरूरत था। Anyway, these are like the tough part before
and be careful.
कुछ पाने के लिए मेहनत करना पड़ता है।
Do not spoil my saree.
Do not spoil my saree, yes of course.
Your
And my kurta is
no, it's washable. I can clean this, but
okay. So your problem is
like I said, I prefer your hands.
या मतलब सोचिए कि प्रॉन खाने से पहले ये पील ऑफ करना ही एक बहुत टफ पार्ट है. You should peel it off properly. So I will now taste the prawn and I'll tell you how is the prawn, how is the prawn, and how is the taste.
How is the taste?
Flat, dull. I'm not getting the flavor of mustard here.
The punchiness
The
of
punchiness of mustard जो कि बंगाल में होना चाहिए. And whenever I think of this malai curry and all, उसमें एक mustard का जो punchiness होता है that's completely missing. I don't know the reason why, maybe because it's slightly on the colder side. But मेरे ख्याल से flavors रहना चाहिए. Like I already mentioned कि खाना अच्छा है पर गरम सर्व करते हैं ये लोग सर्व करते तो और भी ज़्यादा टेस्टी है. तो मैं एक बार prawn का एक bite लेता हूँ. Yeah, prawn is good. मैं बोलेगा prawn is good, but जो cook किया है वो flat taste है. I'm not getting that.
I make better.
She actually makes better
My mom
chili
also.
machar malai curry, and my mom also as well. So those are the two better chefs when it comes to chili machar malai curry. So this is the final dish, the main course which we will be having, which means
Which
this.
means biryani and that too mutton
here-
biryani.
Yes, because in my plate, I'm getting that blue light, so I cannot exactly show you the exact color. But in Devanjani's plate, the color is exactly the same. So here it is. Taste the biryani. Let me know. Have it. How's it?
It's just the flavor of kevda water and gulab jal flavor is a bit too strong.
Too strong?
Yeah, other than that, just taste like a biryani, mutton biryani.
Okay. So the final part in main course, because after that we will be shifting towards the dessert part. Hopefully dessert will not disappoint us. But
But
surely,
today I want nishti dough.
okay. But surely prawn did disappoint us. At least me. I love prawn. I love prawn. She knows how much I love. But prawn was an absolute disappointment. But other dishes were good, and prawn was not cooked properly, and I was not getting the flavor, and it was cold. Let's not. Let's hope के बिरयानी के लिए same हो. Biryani is nowhere close, nowhere close to just like a Shahi biryani or something like that. In fact, last day's barbecue biryani was better than this. So I am not.
That biryani was very light.
The biryani was
This is
light.
extremely rich and very strong. Like I said, gulab jal, kevda water.
Strong in flavors. Okay, type. Not that they cannot have it or something like that. Okay. But the last day, barbecue biryani was better. Where again we were surprised, how all the main course items were
So good, yeah.
Biryani part.
All my favorite stuff.
Okay, so introduce ourselves.
Yes, so this is Mishti Doi cheesecake. I'm sure it's going to be good. This is one of my favorites, baked meedana.
Baked meat and क्या बात है?
You can see the steam is coming from it, and
Gulab
there's the
jamun.
hot gulab jamuns.
That's
That
my
is chocolate
favorite, by
mud
the
pie.
way. Chocolate
Mud
brownie.
pie. No, that's mud pie, but
Okay,
it will be
chocolate.
very similar to brownie, but it will be much sweeter than brownie. Brownie has a bitter, it is
Chocolatey taste,
bitter
Yeah.
taste. Mud pie is ekdam.
This is papad.
And this is papur.
This is Bangali's Rasgulla. Anyway, this is chocolate Monte Carlo, and this is Bengali paesh. So dessert counter is small and tight,
Yes, let's
filled with all
yeah, good stuff.
good stuff. So let's have it.
Let's not waste any time, okay? Don't waste time.
Don't waste time. Let's just concentrate on the baked
Let's just
mihidana.
concentrate on the baked meat.
So we have taken our desserts, but the Banjali is busy having her desserts already because she couldn't wait. She loves Mishti Doi.
Yeah, this is not Mishti Doi. This is Mishti Doi flavored cheesecake, but very good innovation. I wanted to have
You
it.
like it?
Yeah. You will also like it.
Something which I have never tasted before.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
You hate Mishti Doi. I know that.
I hate Mishti Doi. In fact, I hate any Mishti for that matter. I only love Rasgulla. But today I didn't take Rasgulla. Instead of Rasgulla, I took Gulab Jamun. Let me show you. This is chocolate mud pie. This is Gulab Jamun, and this is Kacha Amir chutney, mango chutney, and with papad. But the Banjali's,
It's all Indian.
it's all Indian. This is baked mihidana. Lovely it is. This is the
This
Mishti
is the
Doi.
Mishti Doi
It was
cheesecake.
amazing. And
This is the gulab jamun.
Gulab jamun.
That's
So-
that's the only thing common. in
yeah,
both our plates.
unlike the prawn, this dessert part didn't disappoint us.
Yeah.
So dessert part was actually good. So we'll have our dessert and then we will give you our final verdict about today's lunch. Yeah, so our lunch is done. Lunch is over, and the final verdict is food was good, dessert was better, and they should have served the food a bit hotter because
Warm food is always tastier.
warm food is
than-
always tastier, and the chicken was perfectly boiled, but there was something missing
Yeah,
because of
basically there was no flaws in the cooking because it happens when people are cooking in bulk. Some food does tend to remain raw,
yes.
but this wasn't the case. So they were quite careful about all that, but they were not able to manage the food temperature.
Yes, because inside there was chilled AC and buffet जहाँ पर foods थे वहाँ पर उन लोगों को थोड़ा और ध्यान से रखना पड़ता रखा नहीं. Anyway, the food was good. I guess I'll not be coming back here, at least not this year. Maybe next year देखते हैं. आप लोगों को एक बार ट्राई अप कर सकते हैं अगर आपको थोड़ा डिफरेंट बंगाली फूड्स चाहिए तो. स्प्रेड उन लोगों का बहुत ही अच्छा है. दे हैड पानी पूरी टू स्टार्ट विथ, तो वो बहुत ही अच्छा
Yeah, and where we have come, this is basically कोलकाता का एक स्टेडियम है. This is Salt Lake Stadium.
Salt Lake
You can see
Stadium.
the stadium here.
बेसिकली दैट इज सॉल्ट लेक स्टेडियम और सॉल्ट लेक स्टेडियम का ही रेस्टोरेंट है स्टेडल.
Yeah.
स्टेडल का एक
Stadium
पार्ट है
is- the stadium
फर्स्ट
is
इनिंग्स.
basically a hotel.
Yeah,
So there are many
stadium-
other restaurants and banquets over here.
या तो स्टेडल का फर्स्ट इनिंग्स पे ही हम लोग आए थे. एंड खाने के बाद वी थॉट कि वी कैन हैव अ फोटो शूट एंड ऑल. तो यहाँ पे एक बहुत अच्छा लॉन हम लोग है, एक्सेल ग्रीन ग्रास लॉन. तो यहाँ पे दीपांजलि का कुछ फ़ोटो शूट्स करेंगे एंड सी. तो फ़ोटो शूट्स कैसा किया है मैंने वो देखने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू फॉलो मी ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम. माई इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल इज़ pixat_shinjan. यहाँ पे जाओ. या दिस बैकग्राउंड इज गुड. सो एनीवे अभी हम लोग थोड़ा फोटो शूट करेंगे एंड ऑल, बट आप लोगों से मुलाकात होगा उसके बाद अष्टमी वाला लंच पे. टिल देन टेक केयर, स्टे गुड.